Hello students, कैसे हैं सभी? First of all, welcome on my channel Science वाला. So today we are taking part of second of the chapter class 8th force and pressure. Now today we are discuss about the term pressure and atmospheric pressure and the pressure exerted by the fluids and their applications. So let's start. Pressure. Its a symbol is P. It is defined as a force acting per unit area is called as pressure. In physics, the quantity pressure is defined as force acting on per unit area. That means we applying the force on per unit area. Suppose we having a surface area like that object. We applying the force on this one special surface area, that is known as pressure. This term is known as pressure. That is the impact of force. We also say that impact of force. Formula of pressure is that pressure is equal to force per unit area, and it is noted as P is equal to F vector upon area. Here is the area of the cross section which is touched to the surface on which the force is applied. SI unit of pressure, Pascal. It is defined as Newton per meter square. We know that SI unit of the force is Newton and SI unit of the area is meter square. So it becomes Newton per meter square. Pressure is directly proportional to force. How we can say the pressure is directly proportional to force? That means if increase the force, pressure is also increases. Directly means if the left hand side factor is increases, that's well as right hand side factor is also increases. So we say that force is proportional to pressure is proportional to the force. If the force is increasing, then pressure is also increasing. If decrease the force, then pressure is also decreases. Similarly, the pressure is inversely proportional to surface area. How it is said? If the surface area is increases, then pressure is decreases. अगर surface area बढ़ता है तो pressure घट जाता है. Now we need to understand from some examples the term of pressure. First, a camel is able to move fast on a sand because it has a float broaden feet. This increases the area of the contact with the sand, hence the pressure exerted by the camel on the sand is reduced and the camel's feet sink much less in the sand. We know that the camel's foot is so much broader from the bottom. It can having the more surface area. Due to the more surface area, less will be the pressure. Okay, so that's why camel is easily move on the sand, and it is also known as ship of the desert. The truck which carry the heavy loads have the 8 tires rather than the 4. Normal vehicles having the 4 tires, but the truck carry the heavy load having the 8 tires, which increase the surface area of the contact with the road. This reduces the pressure on the tires. So we know that the bigger trucks having the two parallel tires and more than 4 tires, and they having the more surface area with the road, which can applying the more area and reduce the pressure term. It is easier to cut the vegetable and the fruits with the sharp edge of the knife as compared to the blunt side. Blunt side, we know that the knife having the 2 sides. One is a sharp side, this is sharp, and this is blunt. So blunt side having the sometimes wider and thicker, having the more surface area, which need the more pressure, and the small surface area need the less pressure. Small area having the more pressure and wider area having the less pressure. And from the sharp side we cut the fruit easily. Next, railway lines are provided with the wooden sleepers to reduce the pressure on the rail ground. What are the wooden sleepers? We know that the train tracks over the some concrete sleepers or wooden sleepers. Tracks on like that. These sleepers provide the more surface area due to the sinkage of the track inside the sand. अगर रेलवे ट्रैक पे वो स्लीपर ना लगाई जाए तो ट्रेन के ट्रैक नीचे बैठ जाएंगे और मिट्टी में धंस जाएंगे. Now the numerical or question basis on the pressure term. Question is here, calculate the pressure exerted by the brick which applies the force on the 2.5 Newton. हमारे पास एक brick है, ईंट है. We have a brick having the surface area is given. Calculate the pressure exerted by the brick which applies the force of 2.5 Newton when it is placed upright on the soil सबसे पहले ईंट को हम कैसे रखेंगे, खड़ा रखेंगे, अपराइट ऑन द सोइल. देन इन सेकंड व्हेन द ब्रिक इज प्लेस्ड अपराइट, सेकंड इज व्हेन द ब्रिक इज प्लेस्ड वाइडेस्ट बेस्ड, फिर ऐसे रखेंगे. तो दोनों केस में बताना कि किसमें सरफेस एरिया ज़्यादा होगा. डायमेंशन ऑफ ब्रिक इज गिवन. व्हेन द ब्रिक इज प्लेस्ड अपराइट, एरिया ऑफ द कॉन्टैक्ट ऑफ द सोइल 10/5, दैट मीन्स बॉटम सरफेस, उसकी जो सरफेस है ये वाला है, ये नीचे वाला जो छोटा सरफेस होगा. यहाँ से हम बात करेंगे ये वाला एरिया कम होगा, जिससे एरिया कम होगा तो प्रेशर क्या होगा, ज़्यादा होगा. प्रेशर एक्सर्ट इज 500 पास्कल व्हेन द ब्रिक इज वाइडेस्ट. जब वाइडेस्ट बेस से रखेंगे तो एरिया ज़्यादा होगा तो प्रेशर क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा, 100 पास्कल. नाउ प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय लिक्विड्स. प्रेशर अप्लाइड बाय द लिक्विड्स ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ द कंटेनर एज नोन एज द प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय लिक्विड. जो लिक्विड वॉल्स ऑफ कंटेनर पे प्रेशर अप्लाई करता है दैट इज नोन एज प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय लिक्विड्स. लिक्विड एक्सर्ट द प्रेशर डाउनवर्ड एंड साइडवेज. सी इन अ फिगर, the pressure is exerted by liquid is downwards as well as a sideways. Through this the balloon is inflated from the side and as well as from the bottom side. Pressure of the liquid is increases when we go down the depth. जैसे जैसे हम गहराई में जाते हैं the pressure will be increases. See in a figure. On a point pressure is less, on B point is sometime more, C and D having the much more pressure as compared to this term. Clear? On the second, pressure on the same लेवल है द सेम इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस. अब सेम पॉइंट पे सेम लेवल पे बनाएंगे तो सारों में सेम प्रेशर से पानी निकलेगा. प्रेशर ऑफ द लिक्विड इज मेजर्ड बाय द मैनोमीटर. द डिवाइस नेम इज नोन एज मैनोमीटर. इट इज अ ट्यूब लाइक apparatus in which the pressure is calculated. Clear? On the depth, first of all we measure the pressure here, the how much pressure is applied by liquid. This is a device known as manometer. Application exerted by the liquid. First, the walls of the dam is made thicker at the bottom because the pressure of the water is increases with the depth has maximum bottom. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं डैम की जो नीचे की दीवारें बहुत ज़्यादा वाइडर बनाई जाती है. उसका रीज़न क्या है, बिकॉज एट द गो डाउन द प्रेशर ऑफ द लिक्विड विल बी इंक्रीजेज. सो दैट्स वाई द वाइडर edges and wider walls are the at the bottom of the your dams. Water supply tanks are the placed higher place as on the building because the greater will be the height on the tank, greater will be the pressure on the water in the pipes on the houses. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं वाटर वर्क्स जो हमारी सिटी में होता है उसकी जो टैंक होता है वाटर सप्लाई टैंक जो तो सबसे हाइट पे होता है. जैसा कि हमने शोले मूवी में देखा है वाटर टैंक्स जो होता है सबसे हाइट पे होता है. दिस कैन अप्लाई इन द मोर प्रेशर इन द विच कैन सप्लाई द वाटर इन टू द कॉलोनीज ऑन द हायर प्रेशर्स. द प्रेशर ऑफ द बॉटम एरिया इज अ मच ग्रेटर देन द नियर द सरफेस ड्यू टू द रीजन डेप्थ सी डाइवर्स हैव द वियर द स्पेशल सूट्स टू बॉडीज. अब जो समुद्र है समुद्र के अंदर जब भी गहराई में जाएंगे तो उसमें प्रेशर क्या होगा, डेप्थ के साथ इंक्रीज होगा. तो उनके लिए स्पेशल स्विम सूट्स होते हैं जो आपके डाइवर्स होते हैं, गोताखोर होते हैं, ताकि उनकी बॉडी क्रश ना हो जाए. नेक्स्ट इज एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. द प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय द एटमॉस्फेयर ऑन एयर ऑन एवरी ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन अर्थ इज नोन एज एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. जो हवा हमारी पूरी बॉडी पे हर एक ऑब्जेक्ट पे जो प्रेशर अप्लाई कर रही है दैट इज नोन एज एटमॉस्फेरिक pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured by the instrument called barometer. The device named barometer, which is used to measure the pressure of atmosphere or air. When we go from the Earth's surface, the factors on which Earth depend. When we go from the Earth's surface above, pressure is decreases because we go from the above Earth's surface. Density of the atmospheric layers are decreases. We know that when we go from Earth's surface above, the density of the atmospheric layers are decreases. Due to this less atmospheric density, pressure will be less. So we say that atmospheric pressure is inversely proportional to the altitude. That means altitude के inversely proportional है. अगर altitude बढ़ेगा तो inverse pressure decrease होगा. Reciprocal. Atmospheric pressure is decrease on increasing the temperature because on increasing temperature density of air is decreases. Density क्या हो जाएगी, decrease हो जाएगी. एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर डिक्रीज ऑन इंक्रीजिंग ह्यूमिडिटी. जैसे जैसे ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ेगी उसी तरह से एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर भी क्या होगा, घटने लगेगा. जैसे कि अगस्त और जुलाई के मंथ में ऐसा ही होता है, ह्यूमिडिटी इंक्रीज हो जाता है, एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर डिक्रीज हो जाता है एंड वी फील सफोकेशन. नाउ द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर. A drinking straw works on the principle of the air pressure which because the inside the straw. We see that pressure P1 is applied on the surface. When we suck the air from the mouth, जैसे हम straw से हवा को खींच लेते हैं, the pressure of the inside straw is less as compared to the surface. Then it can be sucked inside the through the your straw into the mouth. The suction hook works on the principle of the pressure. This is because the inside the suction hook pressure is less as compared to the outside. suction hook में भी ऐसा होता है, जो pressure है P1 वो बाहर वाला ज़्यादा हो जाएगा और अंदर की हवा निकाल दें तो pressure क्या हो जाएगा less. So that's why suction hook is stick with the glass door. At the height of the jet plane flies at the air pressure is very low. At such pressure we can have a problems like nose bleeding because the pressure exerted by the blood in our body be much higher than the pressure outside. This can cause the blood vessels to be burst. That's why the pressure inside the aeroplane is maintained at the normal ground level due to atmosphere. Hence the pressure inside the aeroplane is more as compared to the pressure outside. Next, the parachutes are used for the safe landing on the ground because the parachute blocks the air that acting in upward direction. So I hope कि आपको जरूर ये टॉपिक समझ आया होगा. So इसी के साथ हमारा ये टॉपिक कंप्लीट होता है. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for the further upcoming videos and notifications. Thank you. Have a nice day.